What if like a killer had my eyes and
I'm not wearing this right.
stare at you? Oh, damn! This chair is crooked.
Watch your mouth.
Sorry.
On YouTube.
What time is it?
2:40
2:40 in the
afternoon.
afternoon.
Hi.
Hi, how are ya? Just don't sit on my hand, please.
4.
Somebody give me the perfume up
That's 4.
there.
I had 2.
Courtney, can you please hand me that?
No, you had 2, and then you burped the last time because of that, and that doesn't count though.
Give me
A burp's
that.
supposed to come out, not in.
No.
Yours didn't count because it was inside. Yours didn't count because it was inside. A burp's when it's outside.
Freshen up.
No, mine didn't count because I had to burp before I drank. No,
Fresh-
I have 4.
Pressure like a motherfucker.
You just sprayed. You're wasting my perfume. Stop it.
You can buy new ones.
Yeah, like $6. I don't
Cheap
have
ass.
that. 3. 4. Wow. The insides of girls. Wait. Vagina. No, that's not what I meant.
Wow. The inside of girls.
Your hair's so dead.
It's not dead.
Yes, it is.
Well, not here.
Shut up!
Oh.
Damn.
Which one's mine?
China?
That one's
Mine's in
mine.
the middle.
Yours is almost gone.
Yeah.
Feel mine. This sounds so wrong. Feel mine.
Oh. Jiggle, 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 niggle, wiggle. Or is yours almost gone? Let me feel yours.
Excuse me.
Trying to drink. She's like,
Let me feel yours.
I'm trying to burp. Fart. Fartine.
That's
how y'all say
14.
14.
Now one says 37.
We all make turds once in a while.
Thanks for telling them.
Okay, this is
Speech
going to be
of
a
the
really
dead.
long video, so we're sorry. If you don't like this, just still like it.
Cause
Why the fuck
Fuck
not?
not.
Ew, what the hell?
it's your vagina.
Courtney got your dandruff all over me. Just kidding. You don't have. Like, you're gonna go break your voice. Like, oh my god, you have a black smear down this.
I know, I was crying! I burped.
I burped and I cried.
You have 5. We're tied!
Yay!
I'm winning.
Yeah, by 1.
Burp, because why the fuck not? Holding in a burp. It's in my head. I'm gonna pee myself. Oh my god! Okay, we're gonna be back for a short break.